with 35 years of outstanding service. Yes, we're called Clwyd Aerials, but aerials, they're only a part of what we specialise in. Over time, as technology has moved on, so have we, to incorporate a whole spectrum of services. When it comes to television, whether it's Freeview, Sky or Freesat, we have all the answers. You may have been told that you can't get the service you want. Whoever told you that, we're confident we can prove them wrong. What's that? You don't even have a TV yet? We have a range of the very best televisions on the market, and once you've chosen the one you want, we can help with wall mounting as well. Nowadays, television services go hand in hand with broadband for on-demand services such as Netflix. At Clwyd Aerials, we can get you completely set up and ready to go. In short, Clwyd Aerials has it all covered. Call us soon for a no-obligation chat to discuss your requirements.